Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. In this video, we will learn how you can stake Avax token on the official Avalanche wallet. Well, one way that you can always stake Avax is by going to go to staking. This is an easy way. Like if you just want to earn, you want to stake Avax token and you don't care about participating in the network, you want to do it easy way. This is the easy way. Buy Avax token on Binance, and after buying, you can go here and then you can select the days. So 60 days is not available, it's sold out. You can stake it for 90 days or you can stake it for 30 days. You can click on stake now. The APY is about 12.3%. It will be staked for 30 days and then you have to restake it. That is one way of staking your Avax token. But if you are feeling adventurous and you want to do it of your own, which you should if you are planning to hold Avax token for a really long time, then you can stake it on the official wallet, that is wallet.avax.network. I will leave the link of Binance and Avax in the description. You can go from there. Hey, by the way, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I'm doing so that you can learn from them. But if you are looking to invest and do something, do your own research, make sure that you are well informed before you are making your investment decision. This channel is not for investment. This channel is help you to learn about cryptocurrency and technicalities of cryptocurrencies. So anyways, moving back. Now here is in my earlier video I've showed you how you can access wallet.avax.network using your Ledger wallet. Now if you have two options here, right? Like first option, you can stake it using Binance staking option, which I've just showed you how to access that. Second option is you can go to wallet.avax.network. You can set up your wallet with Ledger or without Ledger. If you don't have a Ledger Nano X, which looks like this, let me show you quickly. This is how a Ledger hardware wallet looks like. So if you don't have that, you can always order that. But if you don't have that and you don't want to order, you want to do it for free, you can always go and click on create new wallet. You can click on generate key phrase, which will generate a keyword like this. You need to make a note of this and access the wallet, which is quite cumbersome, plus it is not super secure. The best way to use a Ledger wallet, but again, if you don't have a Ledger wallet and you don't want to buy one, you can use this method. But this is not what I'm doing. I'm actually going back to access wallet. So go to the home page, and we'll be using a Ledger wallet for this process because that is the most secure way to keep your token secure. In cryptocurrencies world, a hardware wallet is the best and safest way to keep your token secure. So if you have not invested in a hardware wallet, go ahead, buy a hardware wallet. It costs about $160 to $180 and it's totally worth it. Anyways, so once you are there, click on access wallet. If you have not checked my earlier video on how to set up Ledger wallet with Avalanche, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. You can watch everything from there. Now here, click on Ledger. So now I need to allow this on my Ledger wallet, which looks something like this. And once I have allowed this, all right, so it will take few seconds to get access. So your screen would look something like this. Like depending on if you're using Ledger or any other way to log into this wallet, your screen would look like this. The very first thing you need to do is you need to add Avax to this, to your wallet. So here you can see three options: X chain address, your P chain address, which is the platform chain address, which is what we'll be using for staking, and then your C chain address, which is contract chain address, which is where you would be first receiving your token. So the very first thing you should be doing is you can always change your wallet address by clicking on X, P or C. So first click on C, copy the address, go to Binance and click on withdraw. So click on Avax, select the coin which you want to withdraw, which is Avax. And you see they have multiple options: Avax, AVAX-C and BNB Smart Chain. So in this case, we are withdrawing Avax. So we enter the AVAX-C address, which we just copied. And then in the withdrawal address, we select Avax C chain, right? To stake our Avax, you need to have minimum of 25 Avax. So, withdraw something like 25.5 or more Avax, like so that you can also pay the gas fee. Now, in this case, I already have Avax here, so I'm not going to withdraw. You can see I've already done this step, and I have on the C chain, I have about 26 Avax. Now we need to move this Avax from C chain to P chain, which is the platform chain. To do this, click on cross chain. So source chain is C chain, destination chain is P chain, and here what we'll be doing, we'll be clicking on max, or if you have more token, you can move it to, let's say, 25, or you can make it to whatever amount you want to make, but you need to have minimum 25 Avax on your P chain in order to be able to stake. So once we have done that, click on confirm and then click on transfer. Now you need to allow this transaction on your Ledger wallet. So you need to sign hash, and it will say, are you sure this is very dangerous? So, of course, you know what you're doing. So click on accept. And then so this one is exporting, and we need to allow one more transaction, which is for importing. So again, allow that transaction on your Ledger wallet, and that's it. Like, it will start importing. Now, if you're not using a Ledger wallet, you might be doing the same step, but on your system, right? So now you can see my Avax is on the P chain, right? Now, in order to stake, go to earn. Here we have multiple options. If you want to become a validator, you need 2000 Avax. If you want to delegate, you need to become a delegator. You need to click on add delegator. Delegator means you can basically delegate your Avax to one of the validator, and this is recommended for people who don't have 2000 or more Avax or don't have the technical know-how. This process becomes easier. Cross-chain transfer is what we just did by moving our token from C chain to P chain, and estimated reward is where will be receiving our staking reward. So in this case, let's start staking our token by clicking on add delegator. Okay, so let's click on that. Now this is where things get very interesting and a little complicated, like which node that you would be using for delegating your token. So here is few interesting things. Like, you click on validator stake, you can see like this particular validator have staked this much of token of their own, and the total number of available delegation is about 1068 for this particular node. This one can take maximum 322, this one can take maximum 50,000. And this also shows the number of delegators. So this one has 309. This one end time is in 1 month. This one end time is in 6 months. This one end time is in 3 months. That means after 3 months you need to redelegate. But here is very interesting thing, right? Like the fee, you might want to pay attention to the fee. Like the first one is costing about 20%. So whatever staking reward that you would get, 20% of that goes to this this validator. But the third one, which is ending in 3 months, has 9% fee, and they have substantial amount of their own stake, and they have a good amount of available slot, and the number of people who have delegated with this validator is also high. So in this case, I will be selecting this. Click on select. Okay, so my Avax token will be logged until this date. That's okay. Click on max. So I'll be just removing this and doing it only 25. So you can set where do you want to receive the reward. You can receive reward on the same wallet, or you can get it on the custom address on some other wallet. And this is good in that case you don't want to reap the reward. You want to like just simply get the reward and simply sell it to take out the money. You can do that for in this case use the custom address, but in this case let's use this wallet. So basically this wallet will receive all the rewards. Sounds good. So staking duration is 21 days. Let's see if we can change it. Cancel. Let's set it to max. So staking duration is about 101 days. The estimated reward is about 0.59x. If you check in the USD, the value is about $46. And that's it. The fee would be about $4. That is what we are going to pay to the validator for validating it. So it sounds good. Now click on confirm and then click on submit. Now you need to allow this transaction on your Ledger device. So let's quickly do that. So there are 3, 4, 5 confirmation, 6 confirmation, 7 confirmation, 8 confirmation, 9 confirmation. So total 9 confirmation I have to give in order to confirm this delegation. And this is committed. Now click on back to earn. So this will take us to this page. Now click on view rewards. So here we'll be getting the rewards. Now I'm also starting with this today. So maybe in the few days I'll see the reward and I'll be able to get the benefit. Now, one thing which I like about staking of your own, there are two reasons. Number one is that when you stake, you are basically locking up your token for that particular time. And especially if you're an investor, you would not be, emotionally driven by the price up and down, which is pretty good. Second part is you will be able to take advantage of all the airdrop that is happening on this platform, which a lot of new project when they are being developed on this particular blockchain, they give reward to the stakers to basically get the first few users and the real users who are using the blockchain. So that's benefit. The downside is like if tomorrow the price goes up by 5x and you want to sell your token, you would not be able to do it immediately, because when you're staking, you are basically locking your token till a particular time, which is a limitation when you're staking. But again, if your horizon for investing is like 6 months or a year or 2 3 years, well, locked staking is not bad. It keeps you safe from this emotional turmoil of should I sell, should I buy, and it might make you become a trader, which is not bad. But again, if you are a long-term investor like me, simply use locked staking. And we have seen that kind of benefit with the Solana. We have seen that benefit with the Luna. We have seen that benefit with the Atom blockchain. And you can find all this video on CoinSutra channel where how you can stake all these different blockchain network. So guys, this is what it is. This is how you stake your Avax token. I hope this video has helped you to learn something new. If you want us to do videos on other topics, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this idea, we will do a video on that. With that, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.